How to remove Temu application from iPhone.
Well, it's a very quick and easy process, so let's get into the video. First thing first, search for the application Temu. Once you find it, tap and hold the app. The option of Remove App will be visible to you. Click on it. And then you have to click on Delete App. Once you click on Delete App, your application will be removed from your iPhone. There's another way in order to delete it. Head over to the settings of your device. Move into General. Head over to iPhone Storage. In this page, you will see all the list of the application that you have it on your device. Simply search for the application Temu and then move into it. With the red highlight, you will get to see the option of Delete App. Click on it. Now once again, if you click on Delete App, your application will be deleted successfully, and then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can delete your Temu app from your iPhone. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. And if you have any queries, you can drop it down in the comment section below. We'll see you in the next one.